Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Colab is active and Python 3 is selected. Install Ngrok with pip and place the binary in the session. This gets the tunnel client available immediately. Next, copy your Ngrok auth token from your account and run the Ngrok auth command inside the notebook so requests are authorized. Once done, test the Ngrok binary by showing its version. This ensures the environment recognizes the tool before you create any tunnels. You now launch your local web service in Colab, for example Flask or a Jupyter widget on port 5000, and confirm it serves locally. Then start Ngrok with the command for that port. You can call the binary or use the Ngrok Python wrapper for cleaner integration. Once Ngrok reports a forwarding URL, copy it and use it to test from your browser or API client. Make sure to keep the Colab cell running so the tunnel stays active. To finish, confirm the tunnel works by loading the public URL and exercising endpoints. This validates both Ngrok and your app in Colab. Make sure the Colab runtime remains connected, because once it disconnects, the tunnel dies. Consider periodic activity to avoid timeout. If something goes wrong, restart Ngrok and the service, reapply the auth token, and verify the correct port is exposed. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see connection refuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.